on the grapes. One very hot day, a thirsty fox saw a beautiful bunch of ripe grapes hanging in a garden. Grapes seemed ready to burst with juice, and the fox's mouth watered as he gazed longingly at them. Then he walked quietly into the garden and jumped up at the grapes. The first time he jumped, he missed it by a long way. Again and again he tried, but in vain. Every time he couldn't get the grapes. Finally, he sat down and looked at the grapes in disgust. He said, "I won't try anymore. The grapes are probably sour." And off he walked, very, very scornfully. Moral of the story, it is easy to hate what you cannot have.